Next step is installing the WordPress in our hosting. So what we have to do is go to the URL named vaporhost.com and just click on client area here on the right side, and then go to services. You will be finding one service, which is your website name. I have two websites, so I'm just taking this. So just click on this, and then on the left side click on login to cPanel. So now you are in cPanel here. So as I was telling, if you end up in doing some mistake, you can just go here in Jetpack and just restore it. I'll be explaining that in the next one. Or let's first install the WordPress. So what you have to do is just in the search bar, just click on SOFT. So you can see here software under this two. Just click on Softocles App Installer. Click on that, and then you will be redirected to some of the softwares here. So just click on install, and then already your website will be here. The domain will be written here, and then click on site name as your site name which you wanted to give. Always give your site name as this one, and site description like a tagline or something. Service you can trust. Admin password is now give your email ID as different which one is in use. So in my case, okay, texedu@gmail.com. Now do one thing, and just as of now take any of your themes. It doesn't matter, any theme is enough. Just click on install. You can see the WordPress is getting installed. Great. So once you see this congestion software was installed successfully. So now what you have to do is either you can just click in here, but okay, your now next thing you have to do is you can have to connect your domain to this particular hosting. So to do that, just go to client area again, which will be in the left tab which you just did, and log into cPanel. And you can see here the shared IP address in the right side. You can see it, shared IP address. Just click on that, right click on that. Okay, you cannot, just and put Control C. Okay, you can right click on this and Control C. Now go to GoDaddy, the domain register which you have bought your domain, and then click on sign in. Just sign in. So go to your domain and you can see here DNS. Just click on DNS button. So I have already connected my domain here. That is the reason. So as I have already pointed my domain to the hosting, it is showing the value here. So for you guys, it will be parked in here. Just click on this and then just copy paste the IP which you have copied from here. Just have a check: 66.206.11.130, 66.206.11.130. So just click on save. So your domain just got saved, and then what you have to do is you have to wait for around maybe 1 to 2 hours, or maybe it would be done in a moment itself. For example, in my case, I'll just show you by .in. See, I have already one of my website blog is already loading. So this is the theme which I just installed. That is the reason it is showing like this. So we will go on and we will see how to create a blog, a better blog than this. So we'll do that. So okay, guys. So next we will be learning how to create a blog.